Montebello. We're here with Chivas USA, Dan Kennedy, and the Chiva Girls. Woo! We'd like to ask all of our friends and family and everyone here shopping to come learn and take a dance class from the Chiva Girls today. And then when you're done, you can go over and see Dan Kennedy, our #1 goalie this season, and you can go ahead and get your picture and autograph with him. So come on over, let's have all of our kids and girls and moms and dads, and we're going to teach a dance class right here. So if you're ready, come on out. And we're going to have the Chiva Girls kind of spread on out and pull people down the middle. All right.
Go hands, Chiva Fighter.
Our Chiva Fighters getting down. Who wants to learn some dance moves? All right. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. And we've got our Chiva Girls helping out. So anybody else who wants to come out and learn some funky grooves, it's really easy, really fun. We're going to here have a good time, so come on out. We've got Whitney on stage. She's going to be your demo. So let's give it up for Whitney today.